Hello guys, welcome to AR Tutorials. Today is day 3 of solving LeetCode questions daily, and today we are going to start with a very basic and very easy question because this question is the foundation of medium and hard questions later onwards. So today we are going to solve the two sum problem. This problem is so easy that we just have to return the indexes of two numbers, by which if we add that two numbers of that index we'll get our target value. So the output would be 0 and 1 for this case, as 0th is 2 and the first index element is 7 and addition of both is 9. So what we have to do, we'll discuss in code. The code is very easy, there's nothing much. I am giving you the direct optimal code. The optimal code requires a map. The map basically is a data type which stores the values in key value pair, and the key would be our elements and the value would be their indexes in this scenario. So what we will do, we have to return a vector. The vector of what? The vector of indexes. So first we will declare the n, then we have a map, then we have to get a vector answer. So what we will do, we will iterate through the array. So we have start from 0th index till the nth, and after that we have created a num. First initially we have stored the first element inside the num, and the needed number is the number which we needed. So the needed number is such that the target is given, the number is the first element. If we minus target and a number, we'll get a number. Now this number we'll find inside the map. If the map has the function find, if the find is not pointing towards the end, that means the element is present in the map. So we'll return that mpp, that is our map name, that and then the needed number, and this will return what? This will return that needed index is there, and that count or that index it will return, and I, the I is our iteration iterator, and simply we'll return this one. And what we will do, if it is not present, then we have to insert it. So we'll insert the number with the count of I. After that, if it is not found, we'll simply return -1. This is so simple. You have to practice it once so that you will get the ideas and more crystal clear. So this is our all test cases. I'll submit it. So after submitting it, we have got a most optimal answer. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please support my content. Later on I'll be adding the SQL series and also some informative series. So stay tuned with my channel, and if you found this channel new, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.